Welcome to Horong. Inang wallet na bala, pero mila na nagkakadula. Pilagin siya sinang sulod na.
May piso son 40 pesos.
Kisa nagkakadula, may kisa nagkakabili. Ito hindi kisa yung paiban niya.
Balon. Welcome to Horong.
Sa taon. Wala man gani. Joke lang.
Itong ilang background music para hindi yung batian akong tingog sa background.
Mga vlogger na ta.
May CCTV diri.
Itong CCTV oh.
Makadto, di kita bigay maligo-ligo kita. May tuno na iniyanda ang aton ng Ilonggo kay dito sa puro tarang permit Tagalog. Di nga Ilonggo na.
Ma?
Ilanda kayo. 6 po.
Wala pang sponsor.
Nag-vlog kayo? Okay. Magkano po ang vlog? 50 pesos kayo.
Oh, 50 pesos. Wait lang.
Oh, 100. 100 plus walang kanin.
Oh.
Kayo, 50 pesos lang. Magaling yung tatay. Kasi ano naman yung 30 minutes lang. Naligo lang talaga. Wala po yan. Nasa inyo yan. You can stay longer. You can stay shorter.
Yeah.
Okay, we are waiting for our financer. Come on.
Here's our financer, boss financer. Oh,
Good morning. 6. 6 po. 6 is 300, 800 lahat. Magtatay ba ka?
co-financer.
Deposit. Deposit lang lang. Deposit lang ba? Dito yung gagamit. Oo. Pero pag nakita ko ba yung ginamit nyo? Wala na.
Ano lang TV? 30 minutes lang.
Ano, kapag kami maligo? Maliligo.
Opo.
100 per head kami pag naliligo. Maliligo. Walang cottage.
Oo. Pero pag may nag-cottage,
Hindi na kami magka-cottage.
Sige.
so anin kayo.
Oo.
Maliligo.
Yes.
Gano'n lang. Okay, 600. Coba aja oh.
diri yun? Amo ni guro? Amo dalom ni Diho?
Meron na ba itong ito? Ano? Dapat ang mga bit-kabit yung sili ito.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, just know you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose